Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Blender unsupported graphics card driver. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, the basic fixes here. Go ahead and open up your search bar, type down software update or system update. Now go ahead and click on check for updates. Okay. Install all available updates from here. Also, once that's done, go ahead and go to advanced options. Okay, go ahead and click on optional updates and install all available updates here as well. Now, once that's done, go ahead and locate your graphics card software. As you can see, I have an NVIDIA graphics card. So I'm just going to right click on it and click on NVIDIA app. Okay, open up AMD Adrenalin if you have AMD. Or if you have Intel, just go ahead and open that as well. So just go ahead over to the drivers tab and make sure that you have the updated version of your graphics software. Okay, as you can see, I already have mine installed. So I should be good to go. Now, if yours says install right here or update, just go ahead and click that button. Wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, go ahead and check if it helps. If that still won't work, okay, open up a web browser. Now, what you'll do is just go ahead over to dll-files, okay, .com. Again, dll-files.com and just hit on enter. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, use the search bar and just type down OpenGL 3.3.dll. Hit on enter. Now go ahead and click on OpenGL right here. Okay, scroll down and find your architecture. Okay, I'm using a 64-bit computer, so I'm just going to go ahead and download it from here. And at the very top is the latest release. So just click on download. It says here download will start in a second. Now once you have the DLL downloaded, just right click on Blender, open file location, and just right click and paste the file in here. Okay, and once that's done, go ahead and check if it helps. If that still will work, go ahead and open up DISM to update SFC packages. Now to do that, open up your search bar right here, type down CMD. Now click on run as administrator. Okay, there'll be a pop-up, just click on yes. Here's a command prompt. Type down DISM /online /cleanup-image /restore health, and just hit on enter. Okay, wait for the process to finish, and once that's done, go ahead and run this command. Again, run cmd as administrator sfc /scan now. Okay, just hit on enter, wait for the process to finish, and once that's done, go ahead and restart your computer, and after that, you should be good to go. Blender should work perfectly fine now. Okay, well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.